Hello everyone, we're at the cheesiest bonfire ever on the Broadway. It's just rough. Yeah. Right, we've got Robert coming here with the fire. Way! What was that? That was crap. Well, just wait. The more they're fitting, Robert pulling the fridge out of the van.
This is mine.
Oh, cute.
7th of July family.
Oh, that's a... You have to get a picture there.
I can't because I don't like my face.
No, but you should do like something that you like, if you like unicorns. Get a picture of a unicorn, say for instance, or... You know, say like whatever.
Wow. I can't.
Robert's just down there setting fireworks off because he's a little naughty boy.
This is my channel. I've done.
Oh, cute. Primark haul videos are quite good, but you buy from Primark. Robert, get it lit.
Yeah.
Don't mess about, boy.
I'm not serious.
Yes.
Don't ask why there's loads of LOL stuff there.
So,
I absolutely love LOL.
Vicky Cherry Isles in the life. Let's see Robert set this bad boy off. I've got to do a landscape, I've got to see what Robert's doing. Robert, come on! By the time we lit it, have we gone home? Oh look, he's actually lit it.
Yeah, there's a bit low fuel.
Way! It's a firework! It actually went pop.
Don't get my dad in any of the videos. He'll kill you literally.
No. He'll be fucking blurred out, mate. That's it for now, mates. Bye.